Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get your voided check from Chase. First, you want to actually go ahead and log into your Chase account, right? Open up the Chase mobile app or go to chase.com in your browser and then enter your username and password, log in. Now, what you want to do, on your dashboard, select the checking account you need the voided check for. And then I want you to look for this option, okay? That says set up a direct deposit or account services. This may vary depending on what you're using. Maybe you're using the Apple website, right? And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on a direct deposit form to generate a document. Now this form includes your account number, your routing number, and a voided check section. And I can go ahead and download or print this form, okay? And this form basically serves as a voided check as well, right? Another option you can do is you can manually create a voided check. So this is what you do, right? You get a blank check from your Chase checkbook. You want to write void in a large letters across the check using a pen, right? Make sure not to cover the routing and account numbers at the bottom. And then you just use the voided check to just set up a direct deposit. You can set up automatic payments or even employee payroll. And if you're sending electronically, you can just scan or take a clear photo of that check. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.